In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize and create newsletters like this, okay, that you can customize to your liking depending on the story that you have. You can always add in images and add in text and customize the content accordingly. This is page 1, this is page 2, and you can add the content. Also, you can add images depending on what you are trying to create. You can create some fantastic newsletters from here with this very template, and you can add maybe and duplicate any of the slides and keep adjusting, keep adding and removing content depending. But you can replace anything here and change the color of the brand and so on. So you can do this newsletter using a number of methods, but you can download it from tinyppt.com. This is the website I use, and you can come all the way down here to newsletter, and you can click on newsletter over here. You'll be able to see them of different categories. You can see these are newsletters that you can use. Even this one, if you're interested, this is the one I've just shown you. If you want more, you can just go to page 2 and you'll be able to see more of them. All right, so you can just go ahead and download and then customize them accordingly however you want them, and then you can start using them. Okay, so all you need is just to click, and then once it takes you here, you can come all the way down here and you can be able to see free download. Once you click on this, you'll be able to download it, and then you can bring it up to your Microsoft PowerPoint and then customize it to your liking. Okay, so this is how to bring in newsletter templates to customize it to your liking in TinyPPT. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.